Simple injury pain. In our last video, we covered biomechanical pain, now it's injury pain's turn under the microscope. Injury pain is, wait for it, the pain we get when we injure ourselves. Sorry for being Captain Obvious. But the injury pain topic is potentially a lot more complex than you might think. There are two very distinct types of injury pain, and it's vitally important to distinguish between the two if you're looking for good long-term pain outcomes. Simple injury pain. You are 25 years old and you've never had any major pain or injuries, apart from a broken arm when you were 5. One day you are tearing down a steep forestry track on your mountain bike when your foot catches on a tree limb. Your perception instantly shifts into that psychedelic slow-mo. The forward momentum turns your foot outwards severely and you distinctly feel the break happen. In your reflexive attempt to save the doomed ankle, you veer away from the tree and off the track. Your body lands in the undergrowth, and you eventually catch it up. It's immediately obvious the ankle is not good. It looks badly out of alignment and has already started to throb severely, confirmation that you are headed for the hurt locker. It turns out that you have a fractured tibia, but worse than that, your ankle joint is severely sprained. It's too swollen for a cast, and 2 days after the accident your ankle is the size of a small melon species. It takes you 6 weeks and 2 metal plates to get off crutches, and 10 months to get down the next forestry track on your mountain bike. Simple injury pain is what you get after a 100% healthy body part is suddenly injured. When you are injured, your body fires pain signals and releases inflammatory chemistry to let you know what has happened, and you feel all that as pain. Damage to muscle, tendon, ligament, bone, joints and nerves can all cause simple injury pain. In some cases, even microscopic trauma can cause bad pain. Some injury pain comes on immediately, and other times it comes on after the fact. Acute injury pain is common. The ankle sprains alone impact millions upon millions every year. The most common mistake we make with simple injuries is not fully rehabilitating them. Even the majority of simple ankle sprains require months of attention to address the strange forms of weakness that tend to sit in the body after injuries. Attention that they seldom receive. Most of the injury rehab we do in our culture is measured in weeks that should be months, or months that should be years. This is the root cause of our injury. It is also a major ingredient in many chronic pain cases. By the end of this section, you will have a much clearer sense of why our injuries require so much rehab. It's largely due to our environment. We'll also delve into what we should do about it. Simple injury pain is nowhere near as common as most people think it is. Complex injury pain is far more common. We'll discuss this in the next video below, so make sure you watch it. In the meantime, if you feel you need to have that pain looked at, give us a call now on 04385 6446 to make an appointment now.